Hey everybody, it's Kestrel Lemon with Saguno Software, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite holiday desserts. It's called Santa's Coffee, and it's very easy to make, and it'll keep you warm on those cold winter nights. Let's go ahead and get started. So there's a few different ingredients you could use for this drink. You could use something as simple as Bailey's for the sweet factor, or if you want to be a little bit fancy, you can use this Amarula. This is from Africa, and it's got a sweet, nutty flavor. Or, and this is what I will be using today, you could use a chocolate liqueur. This one happens to be from a local distillery, so I'm going to use it. I love it because it actually has a local chocolatier made the truffles that go within this liqueur. So you've got to mix it up to make sure the truffles are throughout, which I love. Next up, besides something sweet for this drink, you need the booze. And the booze is usually going to be a bourbon or whiskey or brandy. So if you want to, something simple is Hennessy. It's cognac and it mixes very well with coffee. However, I'm going to be using this Lone Rider Sherry Cask Finish Bourbon from Lone Rider, which usually is known for its beer, but this is a very sweet and easy to drink bourbon that I think will mix well with the coffee. Next up, obviously, you'll need to make some coffee. I actually made decaf because I like to have this drink after dinner as kind of a sweet treat. Then you'll want some really good cinnamon sticks. And I recommend getting good cinnamon sticks for the holiday season in general because you'll be surprised how many recipes actually call for it. So, cinnamon sticks. Finally, you'll want some heavy whipping cream. This is for the garnish and it's totally optional, but I promise you, very worthwhile. The type of glass that I like for this drink is a clear mug because you can see the drink within and it looks really pretty. Okay, this drink is incredibly easy to make because you just need one sweet liqueur, and I've chosen my chocolate liqueur from the local distillery, and the Lone Rider bourbon. So it's just 2 parts that, and then the coffee. So first, I'm just gonna pour myself a simple cup of coffee, and I'm not gonna go fully up to the lip of my cup because I'm going to wanna make sure to add in a garnish at the end. Now, this next part is entirely up to you. I like to do equal parts the sweet liqueur with the whiskey. However, if you wanna change that ratio up, you could. I'm gonna do a shot of the whiskey and a shot of the liqueur. So up first is our shot of whiskey, and then I'm gonna put in a shot of our liqueur. Now this on its own is a delicious treat, but I recommend adding a stick of cinnamon in here just to really spice it up a little bit. And then if you really want to take it to the next level, go ahead and add the homemade whipped cream. All you'll need to do is get out your stand mixer, put in the heavy whipping cream, and spin on level 6 for like 5 minutes. If you want to, go ahead and add some vanilla and sugar. I'll put the recipe in the description of this video. But then after that, we just go ahead and add that homemade whipped cream. So I went ahead and made this homemade whipped cream, and what's next is just to go ahead and add some of it to that delicious hot mixture you've already made. If you want to, you can go ahead and add some cinnamon on top for a little extra flavor. And there you have it. It's probably one of my favorite desserts during the holiday season, and it's definitely a chance to take a break and have some mindful merriment during such a busy time of year. Thanks so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Otherwise, cheers! We'll see you next time.